Did you know that the iconic Rolls Royce logo, the spirit of ecstasy, is a symbol of a secret love affair? Welcome to the intriguing world of Rolls Royce, a brand synonymous with luxury and elegance. It all began in the early 20th century when two visionaries, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce, came together in 1906 to create what would become an emblem of opulence and sophistication. But there's more to this tale. The spirit of ecstasy, the emblem that graces every Rolls Royce, has a story of its own. This symbol is connected to a clandestine romance between the model Eleanor Velasco Thornton and a wealthy aristocrat, John Walter Edward Douglas Scott Montague. Their love, though hidden from the world, found expression in the spirit of ecstasy, a testament to their enduring passion. Thus, Rolls Royce, as we know it, was born out of passion, luxury, and a touch of scandal. Have you ever wondered why Rolls Royce cars are so expensive? It's not just the brand name or the prestige that comes with it, but the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into each vehicle. The creation of a Rolls Royce is not a mere assembly line process, but a labor of love, a testament to the craft of automobile manufacturing at its finest. Each Rolls Royce car is a product of painstaking attention to detail. From the hand-stitched leather interiors to the hand-painted coach lines, every feature is a testament to human skill and artistry. The leather, sourced from high-altitude regions to avoid mosquito bites and blemishes, is carefully inspected before being expertly sewn into the seats, dashboards, and doors. Each stitch is a mark of a master craftsperson's dedication, a signature of their commitment to perfection. The coach lines, those slender, elegant stripes that run along the car's exterior, are not machine-applied decals. Instead, they're hand-painted by a single artisan with a steady hand and an unwavering eye. A single stroke, unbroken and smooth, applied with a brush made of squirrel hair. It's a tradition that dates back to the company's inception, a tribute to the human touch in an increasingly mechanized world. But the customization doesn't stop there. Each Rolls Royce is built to the buyer's exact specifications, from the color of the body to the type of wood used in the interiors. The choices are nearly limitless. The car you drive is not just a car, but an extension of your personality, a reflection of your taste. Creating such a work of art is not a quick process. It takes 6 months to build one Rolls Royce car, 6 months of dedication, precision, and unparalleled craftsmanship. That's more than 4,000 hours spent on a single car, each moment spent perfecting every detail, ensuring that every feature is just right. In essence, each Rolls Royce is a unique piece of art, crafted to perfection. It's the pinnacle of craftsmanship, a testament to the dedication, skill, and passion of those who create these magnificent machines. And that, dear listeners, is why a Rolls Royce comes with such a hefty price tag. Silence is golden, especially when it comes to Rolls Royce. The adage couldn't be truer for a brand that's made silence its hallmark. In a world filled with noise, the tranquility offered by these luxurious vehicles is a welcome escape. This obsession with silence led Rolls Royce to create what could be the quietest car in the world, the Phantom. Imagine a car so quiet, it feels like you're gliding through the air, detached from the hustle and bustle of the world outside. That's the Phantom experience for you. But crafting such a quiet ride wasn't as simple as it sounds. It required an uncompromising approach to design and engineering, a dedication to perfection that is a trademark of the Rolls Royce brand. From the engine to the tires, every component was designed to reduce noise. The bodywork was lined with sound-absorbing materials, the suspension fine-tuned to eliminate vibrations, the engine refined to run as smoothly as possible. The result was a car so quiet, it caught even the engineers by surprise. They found that driving the Phantom could be disorientating, the absence of sound making it difficult to perceive speed or direction. It was an unexpected problem, but one that Rolls-Royce was quick to solve. The solution was to add a whisper, a soft background sound that provided just enough auditory feedback to the driver. It was a delicate balance, adding just enough noise to orient the driver, but not so much as to disturb the silence. It was a testament to Rolls-Royce's attention to detail and their commitment to their customers' comfort. The Phantom is more than just a car. It's an experience. It's a sanctuary of calm in a noisy world, a testament to the power of silence. With Rolls-Royce, silence truly speaks volumes. Rolls-Royce isn't just about luxury cars. It's a name that resonates with more than just opulence on four wheels. The spirit of innovation, a core principle that drives Rolls-Royce, has led the brand into uncharted territories, pushing boundaries and constantly redefining what's possible. Take a moment to consider Rolls-Royce's ventures into the world of aviation. The company's groundbreaking work in engineering has revolutionized the industry. They've not just dipped their toes into the realm of aircraft engines, they've dived in headfirst, setting the benchmark for excellence. Their Trent XWB, for example, is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's the most efficient large aero engine in the world, a testament to the company's relentless pursuit of innovation. But the spirit of innovation doesn't stop at the clouds. Rolls-Royce has also ventured into the energy sector, bringing their unique blend of craftsmanship and technology to the field. They're at the forefront of developing cutting-edge solutions that are not only efficient, but also sustainable. Their MTU Series 4000 engine, for instance, is a game-changer, offering unparalleled efficiency and reliability in power generation. What's amazing about Rolls-Royce is their ability to take what they've learned in one industry and apply it to another. The same principles that guide the creation of their luxury cars, attention to detail, commitment to quality, and a desire to push the boundaries of what's possible, are evident in their work in aviation and energy. Each venture is a testament to their innovative spirit, a desire to not just meet but exceed expectations. Innovation at Rolls-Royce isn't just about creating new products or venturing into new industries. It's about challenging the status quo. It's about daring to dream, to imagine a world that's better, more efficient, more luxurious. It's about turning those dreams into reality, one groundbreaking innovation at a time. Rolls-Royce, then, is a symbol of not just luxury, but also innovation. The story of Rolls-Royce is a story of passion, craftsmanship, silence, and innovation. This tale, rich as the velvety interiors of their iconic cars, begins with a scandalous start. Two visionaries, Charles Rolls and Henry Royce, dared to challenge the status quo and redefine luxury, creating an automobile brand that would become synonymous with absolute opulence and unrivaled quality. But the road to excellence was not always smooth. Like the quiet hum of a Rolls-Royce engine, beneath the polished exterior was a relentless pursuit of silence. The creators were obsessed with crafting vehicles so quiet, they were dubbed the Silent Shadow. This quest for tranquility was more than an obsession. It was a testament to their unwavering commitment to perfection. And then, there's the spirit of innovation that courses through the veins of Rolls-Royce. The brand has always been at the forefront of technological advancements, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the automotive industry. From pioneering the V12 engine to developing cutting-edge suspension systems, Rolls-Royce has consistently redefined what it means to be a luxury car. But perhaps what truly sets Rolls-Royce apart is its enduring legacy. A legacy built on an uncompromising commitment to luxury and perfection. Every stitch, every polished surface, every meticulous detail is a testament to this legacy. A Rolls-Royce isn't just a car, it's a finely crafted masterpiece that tells a story of passion, craftsmanship, and innovation. So, the next time you see that iconic logo, remember, it's not just a car, it's a Rolls-Royce. A testament to a legacy of luxury, craftsmanship, and innovation that is truly unparalleled. This brand does not just create cars, it creates rolling works of art, each one a chapter in an untold story that continues to captivate the world.